Whoa, hey y'all. This is the crazy woodworker. Crazy Ronnie here at the crazy TNR Gifts Workshop. Working on this modular. I've got the jar support part mounted, glued and screwed down. I got the jar ring glued down. Plus it's marked. So I know where the jar is going to tighten up, where it's the final resting position of the jar is going to be once it's screwed down tight. And I'm gonna start working on mounting these supports for the lid to the sides of this so I can start on the lid. Shout at you a bit.